Care of a new zinc kettle during putting into service. Putting a new zinc kettle into service requires strict control. Until the zinc reaches its working temperature, there is a high risk of kettle cracking due to liquid metal corrosion during heating. Heating must always be slow, uniform, and controlled. During initial commissioning, do not add lead. Operate with pure zinc only until a stable zinc-iron alloy protective layer forms on the kettle steel. Always follow a controlled and gradual heating procedure, especially during the first heat up, after maintenance shutdowns, and after long idle periods. Avoid operating in the critical temperature range of 480 to 530 degrees Celsius, where steel dissolution increases rapidly. Finally, ensure proper insulation and uniform heat distribution to eliminate hot spots and reduce corrosion in thinner wall areas.